Online meetings ask much of our attention and energy, so how can we still make the most of them? In this video, I will give you some tips and tricks on how to stay focused during online tutorials and meetings. Firstly, it's easier to focus when your workspace is organized and when there are not too many distractions around. This is not only about your desk. For an online tutorial, close as many tabs as possible. People cannot multitask. Our brains are simply not equipped to do so. Secondly, staying focused gets easier when you're interested in what's going on. Of course, not every topic is equally interesting, but find out why you have to study them. When you see a clear purpose for yourself and for the group, and when you feel a responsibility for the meeting and for the group to be successful, you will be more motivated to stay focused and engaged. Naturally, this is easier said than done. So how should we actually go about achieving this? For this, I want to introduce you to the 3 P's: prepare, participate, and process. When preparing for a tutorial, make sure you know what the meeting is about. Read the relevant sources, check your notes from a previous meeting, formulate some questions when things are unclear, and check the learning objectives or goals to see what is expected from you. After preparation, you should participate actively. Make sure you know your role. What it means to actively participate can differ per task. Are you the chair or the note taker? Nonetheless, regardless of your role, active participation at least means the following 2 things. Firstly, take notes. Preferably the old school way, by using pen and paper. You'll not only be using more of your brain, but you will also have to listen more efficiently. Take notes even about the boring stuff. You'll be amazed at the ideas and potential contributions that will occur to you. Volunteer for a task. Be the time nag or keep the minutes. Give your brain a valid reason to stay engaged. Secondly, active participation means active listening. Turn your camera on to show others that you are paying attention. And is something unclear? Ask a question. You can do this via the chat function in your online platform. Asking questions could help you to clarify what the outcome of the meeting is and what the group has decided to do next. Lastly, process the tutorial. Organize your notes. What were some key points? Is something still unclear? Contact fellow group members. It will often help to follow up work with 1 or 2 others from your class. So, if you prepare well, participate actively, and process the information from a tutorial afterwards, then it's easier to stay focused during the online meetings and tutorials. Good luck and have fun!